Manage recipes with Blue Open Studio. Save time and maintain consistency by automating part parameters or production quantities with flexible recipe management tools. Recipes are saved and loaded through built-in script commands, which allow recipes to be managed automatically based on date, time, or event, or manually via on-screen buttons. Recipes can be stored in two different file formats, a .dat binary file or XML, both of which can be modified outside of Blue Open Studio. Each recipe is stored as a separate file, meaning that one, many, or all recipe files can be moved between applications with no need to import or export.